Enjoy Basic shoe storage boxes. Quick look at all the pieces that come with it. It's got little arrows indicating which direction each piece goes. So that's a side one. See here, there's also little plugs here for the ends. Then we've got it says right on here. Looks like that's going to be the front cover. And then also what will come with it. Keep it sealed. We've got these ones as well. Looks like there's one more in there. All right, let's assemble it. These are a great way to save some space because they are completely stackable. I've done this set of 5 here, and you can see it does not take too many steps to assemble each one. It did just take me a little bit of a learning curve for the first one, and then once I had figured it out, you can see quick and easy and looks so neat and tidy. This will fit a women's size 9 shoe or men's size 10. Definitely recommend it.